Hi, Sinandra here with Pichu Gorilla and welcome to another Mindset Minute. Today I want to talk to you about something that impacts all of us, limiting beliefs. You know, those internal voices that whisper, I'm not capable, this is not for me, I'm not enough. These beliefs hide deep within our minds and often control our actions without us even noticing. Here is a couple effective techniques. 1. Active questioning. 2. Positive substitution. You have the power to break free from these beliefs. The first step is identifying them. So next time you feel something holding you back, negative, pause your mind, breathe and turn down the volume of life. Ask yourself, what thought is behind this feeling? Is this true? Do I have proof? The active questioning practice helps you break down those negative thoughts and then replace them with positive affirmations like, I'm capable, I can learn, but just not say it. Feel it deep within. The more you practice this daily, the more natural it becomes, helping you shift your mindset and unlock your true potential. So this week I'm asking you to be intentional and challenge your limiting beliefs, one thought at a time. And don't forget to follow me for more tips on unlocking your best self. See you next time.